Welcome to this video. In this video we are going to learn how to develop a short Hello World program in C# by starting from scratch, absolutely nothing. We are starting by doing a basic class called program. As always, I'm typing very badly. Call it program.cs. CS is the file extension, and CS is the file extension, and it stands for C#. As you can see here, we now have a file that contains absolutely nothing. Let's fill it with some useful stuff. We start by writing a class. C# is a object-oriented language that almost everything is a class or object in some kind of way. As you can see, still doing some errors. Open brace, closing brace. We are going to write the main function, static void main. So, and it needs some standard argument in a string array, of arguments. So when I don't have the right colors, I'm getting a bit confused. You need to have system dot console dot write line hello world. That should take care of the main function. Let's try to compile the program and see what the compiler tells us. We're using the command .net build. Oh no, we don't have a project or a solution file. Then it's time to get one. We can call it program. Yes, spell it may be a little bad. csproj is the type of project file, telling us it's a C# project file, or at least it should tell the compiler. And besides me, I have a little note what I should type. It's usually you don't type it, you just tell the compiler or the framework to generate this file, so you almost never touch it, but it could be a cool thing to see how it is working. Start by writing project SDK, and it stands for Software Development Kit. It's Microsoft.net.sdk. let's do the end tag. I'll always do the end tag, or else I will forget it and then I have lots of strange errors. Next thing is a property group. And here we should have the end tag. Begin tag, end tag. Next is a output type. Type .exe, executable. There it is. IntelliSense for rescue. Next we should put the value for target framework. It's a Net Core App 5. So let's save it. No white circle here. Let's try to build this little program with a solution file. .NET build. Yay, we have no warnings and no errors. The whole process took around 5 seconds. Let's run the program and see if it works. Yay, here we have it. Hello world. Let's make a small modification. We can run .NET Run Direct and it will trigger a rebuild, or we can use a compiler and get a little more info. That's what you feel works best for you. I always try to run .NET build because I'm used to reading this output. So where is the executable? It's in here in the bin folder. You can't read it, it's a binary. So that's it for this time. See you in the next video.